Stumbling through the junkyard today, and I found this '67 Ford Galaxie 500. Looked like something fell on the roof. But the interior is in decent shape. I mean, you know, the seats ain't tore up. I got some tape there. Ugh, front seats ain't too bad. This would be a project I'd like to take home. Hey, the windshield ain't cracked. Cars is in pretty decent shape to restore. Except they took a crowbar and pried the trunk open. But I think that can be fixed. It's kind of bright out here, so I hope my camera works right. This is it, '67 Ford Galaxie 500. Somebody could have restored it. I don't know if it's for sale, but I'm going to find out later.